Alrighty. Gary Sundman comes out.
Oh, God, Gary.
And he's stuck.
Oh, no.
At the Costa Nitro field, Mike Eardley's probably like, oh, dude, come on. Alright. Marshall's ready. Drivers, good luck. I'm telling. Oh, Mike Ringer, nice pass inside. Look at that. Wow. Mike Ringer just threw it in there like, give me that. This is going to be a fun one.
Oh, no.
Mike Eardley stubs his nose on that one. Looks like Mike Ringer, Dan Eardley.
Ringer.
Gary in the 3 spot, Mike in the 4 spot. This might be like the best vehicle to have in this race to be on the short courses. It's like the narrowest thing you can run. Oh, look at this, look at this. Oh, nice pass. And for that pass, you get stomped on. Dan Eardley makes a nice pass. Just sneaks it around the inside and takes off. Here, battle down the front row. 1 minute down, 5 minutes to go. Oh, Mike Ringer really throwing it in on that one. Here we go, the close battle for the lead right here. Mike Ringer, Dan Eardley. Dan Eardley got the ball. Oh, Mike Ringer stopped it. Just face planted. Oh, good.
Oh, no.
Oh, Gary stuffs it. That's another. Oh, Mike, you could have done him dirty on that one. All right, Dan Eardley, Mike Ringer, Mike Eardley. Oh no! Dan upside down. Mike Ringer takes the spot. All right, let's see what they got. That seems to be Mike Ringer's strong spot right here. Dan gets through there real well too. Oh, Gary in all sorts of trouble. He's climbing tubes. He's all over. He's sawing grass.
Oh, no.
Barrel. All right, look at these 2 leaders. Oh, Dan stuffs him. Wow. He waits up for him. Good job. Nice class move. Mike Ringer, Dan Eardley just duking it out. Oh, look at this. They're trying to do it again. Mike Ringer, defensive. Oh. They keep going.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Mike Ringer gets it sideways. Dan gets by. Dan Eardley, Mike Ringer. Oh, no, Mike. Oh, no. Mike Ringer gets in trouble. 3 minutes down, 3 minutes to go, halfway through this one. Dan Eardley, Mike Ringer just slams it in there. 8-scale bucket race, you guys should be getting ready. It's Gary, Shane, Randy, Mike Ringer, Chuck Rowland, Jack Donathan, Charlie McLeod.
Gary.
Whoop, too much reverse, Gary. More better forward. Oh, Mike Ringer in trouble. There he goes, gets it back going again. Swinging that partner around and around.
Hey, this was a heavy version. Just sliding down the hill, right?
I feel like I can hear that song from The Wedding Singer. What's that? You Spin Me Around? The lady song. Actually, I think I got that on my iPod somewhere. I should have thought about that. 4 minutes down, 2 minutes to go. Dan Eardley opening it up. Mike Eardley in the 2 spot. Mike Ringer in the 2 spot. Mike Eardley in the 3 spot. Oh! Nicely done. That's more fun that way. Oh, Mike Ringer bicycles. It keeps it going. Good save. Battling out for the 2nd spot. Mike Granger and Mike Eardley. Mike Eardley has it. Mike Granger wants it. Hey, don't crash in the midsection. The marshals are on their cell phones. Glad they didn't do that racing today. I've been in all sorts of trouble. Back on laps.
1 minute left.
We have 1 minute left in this one. 45 seconds, as a matter of fact. Let me see. Fast laps. Gary Sundman, 47.418. Might be a misprint. Because Dan Eardley turned a 56.5. Mike Eardley a 54.1. Mike Ringer a 58.8. You guys are on fire.
Whoops.
Gary getting a little dizzy here. He's got 15 seconds to go in this one. 15 seconds, drivers. Hey, Mike, if I were you, I'd put Dan out of the park, just saying. He's got like a... Oh, no. Wait a minute. We got battle. Is this a battle for the lead? Whoa, no, that's my turn. Sorry, never mind. Got that. Okay, the time's expired. Dan Eardley, your winner. Let me see who comes up for second. Oh, boy. Close battle. Mike Eardley gets around Mike Ringer. Let's see what happens. Here comes the battle for second down the straightaway. Oh, look at this. This is going to be the battle. Who's going to take it? Who's going to get it? Oh! Mike Eardley gets around Mike Ringer. Gap actually wasn't that much. Oh, I know what I did. It showed a bigger gap because it was on a staggered start.
Come on, Gary. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on.
Okay, so your winner.
Oh, what in the... he's like, I don't know where he's at.
He's super off-roading.
Was he supposed to be over there?
You're champion of the 10-scale bucket race.
Gary.
Gets a plaque and $2 extra. That is Dan Eardley.
Okay.